Hi, good day everyone. Dito po tayo sa topic which is slope of a line. Pag sinabi slope, guys, is uh, ito yung measure of steepness of a line. So, ibig sabihin, kung gaano ito kalihis ang isang line, kagaya nito. Okay? So, mayroon tayong formula para hanapin yung slope of a line. So, yung M natin, which is denoted as a slope of a line. Yung M, ibig sabihin slope of a line nun. M is equal to rise over run. So, yung rise natin is the vertical change mula rito hanggang dito. No, vertical yung nila change. And then, mula rito hanggang dito, ito naman tinatawag na run. Okay? So, ayun po yung yan po yung natin. Mula rito, tatakbo ka ng vertical tapos din horizontal para makarating dito. Yun naman ang run. Okay? So, kung dalawang points ang given natin, meron tayong formula kung saan yung given natin is 2 points. Okay? So, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, sa rise kasi, y coordinates lang pinagkaiba. So, you just subtract the y coordinates, no? Kumbaga ito yung distance nila mula rito hanggang dito. So kaya y sub 2 minus y sub 1, and then sa run naman x coordinates lang ang nagkaiba, no? Mula dito hanggang dito yung distance nila. So you just subtract the x coordinates. X sub 2 minus x sub 1 yung nila, distance nila. Okay? So this is the formula for finding the slope using 2 points. Okay, so let's have some examples. Okay, here's the first example. Suppose we're going to find the slope of a line that passes through 2, 5 and negative 3, 7. Okay, kung ipaplat natin yung dalawang points, 2, 5 at saka negative 3, 7 sa Cartesian plane, tapos i-connect natin itong dalawang points with a straight line. No? So, ano ba magiging slope niya? Okay? So, gagamit tayo ng rise over run. So, no, para mas madali nating malaman yung slope. Pero, kung gagamitin natin yung formula, so, yung formula natin, M is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. No? You just need to determine the values of these 4 variables first. No? So, ito yung first coordinates natin. 2, 5 is the first coordinate. So, ito yung x sub 1 natin. Tapos, ito yung y sub 1. Tapos, ito yung second coordinates natin. X sub 2 at saka y sub 2. Ayan. So, doon natin malalaman yung values ng apat na variables. No? Okay. So, isa-substitute natin itong apat dito sa formula. Okay? So, substitute na natin. So, m is equal to, ano yung y sub 2 natin? So, that is 7. Di ba? 7 minus, itong y sub 1. So, ano yun? 5, di ba? And then, x sub 2. That is negative 3. And then, minus x sub 1. That is 2. Okay, ayan na po. And then, remember class, no? When you subtract the numbers, palitan ng addition and then palitan ng sign nito. No, copy, change this and then change this number, no? Into opposite sign. Okay, so magiging siya, m is equal to 7 plus negative 5, 'di ba? Over negative 3 plus negative 2. So palit sign and then change the sign, no? Magiging negative 2. Okay? So magiging siya, 7 plus negative 5, that is 2, di ba? Over negative 3 plus negative 2, that is negative 5. Okay, so our slope is yung m natin is negative 2 over 5. So that is the answer to this example. Ayan po, no? Next example tayo. Okay, number 2, we have negative 2, comma 6, and 6, comma negative 12. So, we're going to find the slope of a line passing through these points. Okay? So, ano muna tayo? Yung variables muna tayo, no? So, this is x sub 1. Ito y sub 1. Ayan po. Ito x sub 2. At ito naman ay y sub 2. Okay? So, that x sub 1 is 2, y sub 1 is 6, x sub 2 is 6, and y sub 2 is negative 12. Okay, yung x sub 1 is negative 2 pala, sorry. Formula, that is x sub, no, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Okay, ngayon, substitute natin itong apat na values dito sa formula. So, yung y sub 2 natin is negative 12. Ayan. Dali lang ha. Minus yung y sub 1, that is 6 over x sub 2, 6 also. No? And then yung x sub 1 natin is negative 2. Ayan. And then after nun, subtraction. So, copy, change. No, remember subtracting integers, no? Okay, so negative 12 minus 6 magiging plus negative 6. Ayan po. Over 6 minus negative 2 magiging 6 plus positive 2. No? And then we're going to simplify, no? So negative 12 plus negative 16, that is negative 18 all over 6 plus 2, that is 8. Okay? So, negative 18 over 8. So, ano siya? We can reduce this, no? Because they have a common factor, no? So, 18 over 8, that is divided by 2, di ba? So, magiging 9 over 4. No? And then, isa lang yung negative. So, we just put a negative sign here. So, our slope of a line is negative 9 over 4. That is the answer. Okay? So, next example tayo. Okay, we have another example. 3, 8, and 13, 23. So, we're going to find the slope of a line passing through 2 points. Okay. So, ano na tayo? Variables muna. So, this is x sub 1, y sub 1. Ayan po. And then, ito yung x sub 2, and then y sub 2. Ayan. Okay, and then we're going to substitute these values into the formula, no? So m is equal to y sub 1, y sub 2 muna, minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Ayan po. And then substitute, no? So yung y sub 2 natin is 23, y sub 1 is 8, 23 minus 8 na yan, and over x sub 2, that is 13, and then x sub 1, which is 8. Ay, 3 pala, sorry. No? So, x sub 2 natin is 13, minus yung x sub 1 natin is 3. Ayan. And then, we're going to change the sign. No? So, 23 plus negative 8 all over 13 plus negative 3. Actually, pwede mo nang idiretso to eh. So, 23 minus 8, di ba? Pero sige, ano natin yan. Change sign muna para di tayo malito, ano? So, 23 plus negative 8, no, that is 15, positive 15, over 13 plus negative 3, that is 10. Ayan. And then, positive siya, no? Tapos, pwede pa natin siyang i-reduce itong fraction into lowest term. So, 15 over 10. So, common factor nila is 5. So, dividing by 5 gives us 3 over 2. So, this is the slope of the line. Okay? Next. Okay, our last example is this, no? Negative 3, negative 5, and negative 7. Negative 7. So, ano muna tayo? Variables muna, no? So, x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. Ayan. And then, we're going to substitute these values into the formula. So, we have this one, no? y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Okay. So, yung y sub 2 natin, negative 7. Minus itong y sub 1, negative 5. Ayan. All over, x sub 2 natin, that is negative 7. Minus itong x sub 1, negative 3. And then, change sign tayo, no? So, negative 7 minus negative 5. So, magiging ano siya? Negative 7 plus positive 5. Ayan. All over, negative 7 plus positive 3. Ayan. And then, we have negative 7 plus 5. That is negative 2. And then, negative 7 plus 3. That is negative 4. Okay? Itong 2 over 4, pwede natin siyang i-reduce into 1/2. Diba? 1/2 ang ano niya. Pero, meron tayong dalawang sign, no? Dalawang sign, isa sa numerator at saka denominator, no? So, pwede na natin i-cancel itong negative sign, no? Magiging ano siya, positive. Okay? So, the slope of the line is positive 1/2. And this is the answer. Okay? So, I hope you have learned something about this lesson. Ano po? And then, pwede nyo nang masagot yung activity 3.1 ng inyong module. Okay? So, keep safe sa inyong lahat and thanks for watching.